How long does it take you to shave my hair?
20 minutes.
20 minutes only. So they're going to do high fade. 17 minutes.
Yes.
Wow. A one stop over here at the Mixo shop. Lemon black tea. Fresh. So it has some lemons. Oh. How do I look? Do I look nice with a cape? Or do I look like normal? You're like, no, William, you should stay normal without a cape. I don't know how you call them. Sweet bananas. These are sweet bananas. Plantains. What are these? I wanted the one for cooking. Beautiful people check in. Wagwan, how you there? Blessings to everybody that is watching the YouTube channel. Your support, your kindness, your love is really magical. I'm asking you kindly to join me today as I go to a Thai salon to shave my hair. In this video, I want you to know how many times do I shave my hair in a month? How much do they charge for just an haircut? And also, actually, I want us to know if I just walk randomly in any Thai salon, are they able to shave my hair? Like, will I look nice like an African man? Look here. So I'm taking my head. Yeah, I'm taking my head to a Thai salon, and we're gonna find out how much do they charge. Yeah, how long does it take? As a Ugandan man here in Thailand, maybe they will chase me. They'll be like, no, we cannot shave your hair. Anyway, let's not judge. Just that I'm curious, like anybody else who is watching this video. Look here. I'm going right now. Yeah, with my scooter here. You know, it is drizzling. That's why you see that I have this kind of jacket. It is drizzling, and at the same time it is hot. I don't know how you call that then. How do you call that? When it is drizzling and the heat is too much, how do you call that? See you there. A one stop over here at the Mixo shop. Yeah, the Mixo people here. This is it, guys. Lemon black tea. Well packaged. Fresh. So it has some lemons down. Let me first drink this. Then I go to the salon. Yeah, I told you it is drizzling outside, but the heat is too much, so I feel thirsty. Actually, they sell variety of items. They do have also ice cream. They've got also smoothies, strawberry, and also mango smoothie. So when you get here and lemon black tea is not your favorite, you can easily order something else. We come back. Yeah. Oh, here is the salon, guys. This is the salon. Okay, let's check in. Mister, how are you? Sawadee krap. Sawadija. It's okay. So, say hello to my people. Mister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So, he's the guy who's going to shave me. And I have, he has one person and there is another one outside, so I'll be the third one, right? Yes. Okay, so I've secured my number, and of course this salon is busy. It's one of the busiest salons just near my place. So these are all Thai people. No one is foreigner. I'm the only foreigner here. Okay. So you must be curious. How many times do I shave my hair in a month? Yeah, let's say a month. And why not? So they're going to do high fade. They'll shave here and try to, to leave some hair. Okay. How long does it take you to shave my hair?
Sorry?
How long? How many minutes or how many hours?
For this cutting?
Yeah. How long?
Around 20 minutes.
Okay, guys. It is going to take 20 minutes only. And I can't wait. Sometimes when they're shaving my hair, I do sleep. Powder there.
Then
17 minutes.
yes.
Wow. Guys, it took only 17 minutes. What a professional faster barber. Thank you so much. Guys, tell me, how do I look? Yeah, the haircut costed me $2.74. That is something like $3. Yeah, $3. That is 100 Thai bahts. So let's see how I'm going to scan.
Thank you.
Okay. Mister, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay, guys, how is it? How is it? How is it? Tell me. Now, to be brief, the haircut just costed me 100 Thai bahts. When you convert it to dollars, that is something like $2.74. Yeah. So I think you guys, you like the haircut, you like the style, and the guy was really professional, and I liked how he ministered to me. He told me it will take 20 minutes and it took only 17 minutes. So guys, this is it. Yeah. Okay, let me return my cape. Anyway, first tell me in the comment section, how do I look? Do I look nice with a cape, or do I look like normal? You're like, no, William, you should stay normal without a cape, no glasses, no shades, no nothing. Yeah, man. Okay, so you've seen me without a cape, without sunglasses, etc. Yeah. Now let me put my cape and we see. Look here. Look. How is it there? Yeah. Fresh and clean. You don't know. Now, I had left my drink, and you see the straw. I folded the straw because I felt like flies, house flies can, go here. Anyway, let me see. Yeah, it's still fresh. So many people visit this salon, but I've not seen any black guy coming to cut their hair, and I'm really surprised that this guy is really professional. I liked how he has trimmed my hair. Yeah, it's like I'm in Uganda. It's like I'm back home. Anyway, guys, tell me, how much do such haircuts cost in your country? How much do they charge? How much did you think maybe this haircut could cost? Because it went for $274. That is around $3. How much were you expecting? Or do you think they're expensive or they are affordable according to where you are? And how many times do you trim off your hair? Actually, in my country, the cost of shaving the hair is different from the one for the beards. But in Thailand, most of the salons that I've gone to, it is a combination of, one cost covers the entire service. They'll trim the hair and also shave your beard, and that is it. But in most places, each and every service has its own part. Yeah, man. this is a great business, and of course nowadays hair grows very fast. I don't know, is it because of the climate change? Is it good feeding? I don't know. Is it hormones? I think there are many things that contribute to that. Well, in Thailand, you have to be patient. I came and I found other 2 clients, so I had to wait. And my turn, when my turn came, yeah, I'm done here. Nothing like booking online. Some salons you have to book. You book for your slot. It's like you're going to have an appointment for the haircut. So the salon session is done, and I don't know what next. Just keep watching. Time check is 6:13 p.m. Yeah, late evening. So let me see if I can ride the bike to the park or somewhere and show you what is happening there. They have got good seats, man. If you come here and you don't want to sit inside, you can just use these seats. Yes. The land of the free. So, check-in people. I went to this market. I don't know if you've ever seen it on my channel. This is the market here. This is like a food market. Yeah. Now this is where people sit after buying some snacks. I'm looking for banana, the ones you call plantains. Yeah, this is the guy that sells it. Hello, mister, how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you have banana?
Banana?
Yeah. You don't have?
Maybe.
Oh. Guys, I wanted to buy some bananas to eat. Unfortunately, this guy does not have bananas. He has these ones, I don't know how you call them. Sweet bananas. These are sweet bananas. Plantains. What are these? I wanted the one for cooking, but these are the ones that you have to keep and ripen. You know, they look like these ones. So I don't know what to do. He has some pineapple, durian here. The king of fruits in Thailand. And I got some doublings. Yeah, doublings. Okay. I'm confused where to get green bananas. It's a busy evening market. It is for only food. Only food stuff here. Okay. Let's see how it goes.